Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a first look at the 2026 Nissan GT-R R35, a sports car that continues to carry the legendary GT-R name with incredible performance, bold styling, and advanced engineering. Known around the world as Godzilla, the GT-R has built a reputation for speed, precision, and everyday usability. Let's see what makes the 2026 model so exciting. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Nissan GT-R R35 still has the muscular design that fans love. The front end features Nissan's signature V-Motion grille, sharp LED headlights, and a redesigned front bumper with larger air intakes. These changes not only give the car a more aggressive appearance, but also improve cooling and aerodynamics. The long hood, wide fenders, and low stance create a powerful road presence. Every line on the body has a purpose, helping airflow move smoothly around the car while increasing stability at high speeds. From the side, the GT-R looks athletic and perfectly balanced. Lightweight forged alloy wheels, performance tires, and large side skirts give the car a race-inspired look. The sculpted body panels and flowing roofline enhance its sporty character while reducing drag. At the rear, the iconic 4 circular LED taillights instantly remind everyone that this is a GT-R. A large carbon fiber rear wing, aggressive rear diffuser, and quad exhaust system complete the bold design. The rear bumper has also been refined to improve airflow and high-speed performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Nissan GT-R R35 is expected to be powered by a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine. This legendary hand-built engine delivers impressive power, quick acceleration, and the thrilling performance that GT-R fans expect. Power is sent to all 4 wheels through a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing incredibly fast gear changes and outstanding traction. Nissan's advanced all-wheel drive system helps the GT-R maintain excellent grip, whether you're driving on dry roads or wet conditions. The suspension has been carefully tuned to provide a balance between comfort and track-ready handling. Adaptive dampers automatically adjust to different road conditions, giving the driver confidence in every situation. Braking performance is equally impressive. Large Brembo brakes with ventilated discs provide strong stopping power, while advanced electronic systems help maintain stability during aggressive driving. Now let's step inside. The interior of the 2026 GT-R combines luxury with performance. Premium leather seats, Alcantara trim, carbon fiber accents, and soft-touch materials create a modern and comfortable cabin. The front sport seats provide excellent support during spirited driving, while remaining comfortable on long journeys. The dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and a premium Bose sound system. A fully digital instrument display provides important driving information, including speed, boost pressure, engine temperature, and performance data. Technology is another highlight. The GT-R includes selectable driving modes for the engine, transmission, and suspension, allowing drivers to customize the car for daily driving or track performance. Other features include launch control, adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, a rear-view camera, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Despite being a high-performance sports car, the GT-R is surprisingly practical. The seats are comfortable, the cabin is well insulated, and the trunk offers enough space for weekend luggage, making it suitable for both everyday driving and long-distance trips. The 2026 Nissan GT-R R35 continues to compete with sports cars like the Porsche 911 Turbo, Chevrolet Corvette Z06, BMW M4 CSL, and Mercedes AMG GT. Its combination of supercar performance, everyday usability, and legendary reliability makes it one of the most respected performance cars in the world. The expected starting price for the 2026 Nissan GT-R R35 is around $130,000, while higher performance versions with additional options may cost significantly more. Overall, the 2026 Nissan GT-R R35 remains one of the most exciting sports cars available. With its powerful twin-turbo V6 engine, advanced all-wheel drive system, aggressive styling, modern technology, and thrilling driving experience, it continues to live up to the legendary GT-R name. If you enjoyed this first look at the 2026 Nissan GT-R R35, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more car reviews, first looks, comparisons, and the latest automotive news. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.